Mrs. Yon, Thai, cook, breakfast is ready. Come downstairs. A few seconds later, everyone looked up as Jungkook appeared at the top of the stair, carrying Taeyong in his arms. Bridal style. Taeyong's face turned crimson instantly. Taeyong hiding his face against Jungkook's chest. Cookie, put me down. I can walk. Jungkook smiling softly. You are still healing, and you are light as a feather. So no arguments. Mrs. Kim gasped lightly but couldn't help smiling at the sight. Mrs. Kim. Oh dear, look at them. Our cookie is turning into quite a gentleman. Jungkook gently sat down on the chair beside him and took a straight strand of hair behind his ear. Tongue avoided everyone's gaze. Cheeks still red. Tongue. You didn't have to carry me in front of everyone. Jungkook. Then how else would I get you here? Teleport you? Tongue afraid his cheeks trying to clear but failing when Jungkook chuckled. Throughout breakfast, Jungkook kept placing little things on Taeyong plate, breads, fruits, even spoon feeding him spoke once. Taeyong flustered, Cook, I can eat on my own. Jungkook teasing, then eat faster before your food gets cold. Sleepyhead. The whole family broke into laughter, seeing Taeyong shyly open his mouth, while Jungkook smiled softly, feeding him with care. Even Mr. Kim, who usually stayed stunned, couldn't hold back the faint smile. Mr. Kim, under his breath, at least someone can make him laugh again. Standing silently in the hallway, away from the laughter, was Mingy, watching everything, his hand tightening into fist. Jaw clenched as he murmured to himself, Mingyu, he is mine, not yours. After breakfast, Jungkook gently lowered Taeyong into the bed, fixing his pillow and tucking the blanket around him. But Taeyong refused to let go, his arms still open around Jungkook's neck, pulling him closer until Jungkook was nearly top of him. Jungkook softly, Tae, let go. You need to rest. Taeyong pouting hard. No, stay. He leaned up on the elbow, lips heading straight toward Jungkook's. But Jungkook jerked back just a time. Taeyong froze, offended, cheeks puffed out in frustration. Taeyong, Cookie, why aren't you kissing me? Jungkook, rubbing his neck awkwardly. Because you are hurt. Taeyong, I'm hurt on my head, not on my lips. He jabbed his mouth. You can kiss me here. Jungkook chuckled nervously at how adorably stubborn Tae looked. Arms crossed, eyebrows furrowed, lips sticking out in a most tempting pout. He sat beside Tae, cupping his teeth with one large hand. Jungkook's voice soft, eyes filled with care. Baby, I know, but you are not okay yet, and I don't want to take advantage of you. Taeyong's eyes narrowed instantly. These are excuses. You just don't want to kiss me. Jungkook's eyes widened. Tae was so bored today. He laughed under his breath, shaking his head. Okay, then tell me something. Taeyong blinked confused. Jungkook, if you forgot your memories, how do you remember kissing? Taeyong still, his mouth parting silently. He could bet, eyes flickering around the room as he looked for an answer. He smiled and said he hadn't expected Jungkook to ask that. Jungkook leaned in closer, eyes searching his Taeyong swallowed again. Cock. His secret plan was hanging by the thread. Taeyong was still staring at Jungkook, his pout wobbling as tears filled his eyes. Suddenly, he grabbed his phone from beside the pillow and tapped the screen quickly. He showed it to Jungkook with a smile. A drama scene playing where a cute couple exchanging passionate kiss. Taeyong, look, they are fiancés and they are kissing. His voice cracked, but we are also engaged. Still, you are not kissing me. His lower lip trembled as he whispered, Cook, don't you love me? The moment those words left his lips, Jungkook's heart shattered. He immediately pulled Tae into his arms. Taeyong sat against his shoulder. Jungkook stroked his hair gently, whispering into the crown of his head. Jungkook, soft, pained. No, baby, no. It's not like that. He closed his eyes, holding him tighter. I love you. I love you so much. Please don't ever doubt that. Taeyong slowly pulled back, looking right into Jungkook's eyes, pleading, challenging. If you love me, prove it. Jungkook's breath itched. Tae, how do you want me to prove it? Tongue without hesitation. Kiss me and prove your love. Jungkook breathed, pounded hard in his chest. His mind raced. This was wrong, but I want him so much. He froze, eyes darting between Thai's eyes and his lips, and Thai impatiently leaned up, closing the distance, lips almost touching Jungkook's. Just then, a shadow fell over the window. Mingyu. He stood outside the glass, fist shaking, jealousy burning like wildfire in his eyes. He couldn't watch another second. A loud knock, bang bang. Both boys jumped slightly. Tong groaned in annoyance. Jungkook tensed instantly. Mingyu, Tong, open the door. Jungkook clenched his jaw, shielding Tae from the view. Tong wiped his tears quickly, irritation written all over his face. He leaned close to Jungkook's ear and whispered, Tong, panic. Don't let him come between us. Jungkook nodded once, ready to defend Tae again. Jungkook clicking his tongue in frustration, gently guiding Tong to lie down. Don't open the door, I will deal with him. Tong nodded, gripping Jungkook's hand for a second, silently asking him to come back soon. Jungkook gave a soft, reassuring squeeze before turning and walking to the door. The moment Jungkook stepped out, he closed the door behind him. Tong let out a big dramatic groan and flopped back onto the bed, arms spread wide. Tong muttering to himself, that stupid Mingyu. Why does he always come at the wrong time? He covered his face with both hands, kicking his feet in the air, half angry, half embarrassed, and half insanely happy. Then he buzzed, Tong whispering, Well, at least he saw us, almost kissing. He giggled into the pillow like a teenager in love, but then his smile slowly faded. He rolled onto the bed, staring up at the ceiling, a small sigh escaping his lips. Tong sobbed guilty. I am using him for revenge. His fingers curled into the bed sheet. Tong thought, but it's not just revenge in you, right? The way he looked, holds me, protect me, the way my heart raced when he smiled. He swallowed hard, cheeks warming, just a thought of Jungkook lips so close to his. Tong barely to a whisper. I think I am falling in love with him. His heart pounded loud enough to hear. Outside, Mingyu grabbed Jungkook's collar, grabbing him against the wall, eyes blazing with jealousy and rage. Mingyu, how dare you to try to kiss my fiancé? Jungkook pushed Mingyu's hand away with a cold glare. Your fiancé? He leaned forward. Well, not anymore. Mingyu nostril flared, his grip turned stronger, knuckles whitening with the ink. He still wears an engagement band. His eyes dropped to her as he glimpsed of the ring in the back of his head. Mingyu, that means he still belongs to me, he said, laughing. Jungkook's passion snapped. His time, Jungkook grabbed Mingyu back, slamming him against the opposite wall. His voice thundered through the corridor, shaking with the protectiveness. That band doesn't give you the right to hurt him. With that band on, you still broke his heart. His eyes turned sharp and deadly. You don't deserve him. Mingyu shoved him back, but Jungkook held his ground, fist clenched. I made one mistake. One. And you think he will choose you over me? His voice cracked with desperation. He and I were supposed to get married tomorrow. Jungkook stepped closer, eyes burning with a truth he was no longer afraid to show. Marriage isn't contract. Love, it's love. Something you broke the moment you cheated. He smirked just slightly sharp and victorious. And for the record, Thai already shows who he trusts to when he is hurt, and it's not you. Mingyu froze, speechless for the first time. Inside the room, Thai's heart was racing. He could hear everything from the slightly open door. Tears flickered in his eyes because for the first time someone was fighting for him, not with him. Jungkook walked back to the room, angry and frustrated. The moment he saw Thai laying there, looking at him with those soft, worried eyes, everything inside him melted. He crossed the room silently and wrapped his arms around Thai's small frame, holding him close as if he were something fragile he needed to protect. Thai didn't resist. He let Jungkook hug him, his racing heart. They stayed like that, breathing together, calming each other. After a long moment, Jungkook gently pulled it back, taking Thai's hand into his. He grabbed his thumb over the cold metal band, still around Thai's finger. Jungkook, Thai, can you remove this ring? Tai blinked, pretending to be confused, even though he already knew why. But it's our engagement ring. Jungkook shook his head. Just remove it, baby. I will give you the new one. One that comes with real love. I don't like this one. It hurts you. That was enough. Without a second thought, Tai slipped the ring off and threw it out of the window, watching it disappear somewhere in the garden below, like throwing away all the pain and betrayal with it. When Tai looked back at Jungkook, there was a shy but hopeful smile on his lips. Jungkook cupped Tai's face gently, his palm firm against Tai's cheek. Tai's breath hitched. They leaned closer, noses brushing first, soft and slow, like they were teasing the moment. And then Jungkook kissed him, not rushed, a soft, tender kiss full of promises. His lips moved carefully against Tai's as if asking permission. With every second, Tai's finger curled into Jungkook's shirt, holding him close, returning the kiss with the tiny smile present between their lips. It wasn't just a kiss. It was a confession, a beginning. When they parted, Jungkook rested his forehead against Tai's eyes shining. Jungkook, see, I love you more than anyone ever will. Tai's heart fluttered like it had finally found home. Taeyong insisted he wanted a perfect wedding tomorrow, with dance, a cake, and moment to remember forever. So now soft music played through the speaker as Jungkook stood in front of Tae, holding his hand carefully like they were something precious. Tae placed Jungkook's hand on his waist and grinned proudly. Taeyong, you have to hold me like this, fiancé. Jungkook chuckled, adjusting the grip. Yes, baby. But if you keep moving so much, you will fall before the wedding. Then touch me like friends in the movie. He stayed ready. Slowly, Tai's foot suddenly turned in the wrong direction, causing him to trip. Jungkook trembled instantly, both bursting into laughter as Tai leaned into him dramatically. See, you saw me. That means we are perfect together. Jungkook looking at him, smile softened, like melting. We will always. Tai breathing and Tai lifting Jungkook's arm and forced him. He swung too fast and bumped into Jungkook's chest instead. The two started laughing again, forehead to forehead, as if the whole world disappeared across the room. Mindy froze. He had been passing by the ship on land, but seeing the fiancés dancing and laughing, dance so freely with someone else's side, his face flushed and he suddenly laid fire under his skin. Tai laughed liquid again, right in front. Jungkook pulled it properly this time. Tai ended up crashing into Jungkook's arms once more. You are the worst dancer ever. Jungkook laughs, but the greatest. Jungkook burst Tai's back aside while Tai gazed up with sparkling eyes. The smile that used to be Mingyu's now shining for Jungkook's only. Mingyu quickly stepped back, heart racing. He lost him completely. Mingyu walked out with heavy steps. The night breeze cold against his burning skin. His chest felt tight, like reality was squeezing it mercilessly. He replayed everything. Taeyong smiled today. His laughter with Jungkook, the softness in his eyes whenever he looked at him. It used to be Mingyu's who got that love, that devotion, those giggles, those shook cuddles. And what did he give back? Nothing. Worse, he gave pain, lies, betrayal. He sat on the stone bench, fingers trembling, trying to catch his breath. For the first time in years, tears escaped. Mingyu, I rented him, and now he is leaving me. His gaze dropped and he froze there in the grass under the moonlight. Their engagement ring, the one Tai once kissed and said, "It means you will never leave me, right?" Now it lay abandoned like it means nothing. Mingyu looked up right in Tai's window. He wasn't stupid. Taeyong threw it away. And no alone. Jungkook must have told him to do it. His face tightened, heart filling with anger. Mingyu. So he wants to erase me completely. His jaw clenched, tear drank. The rage replaced anger. He quickly picked up the ring, staring at it like it was a reminder of everything he lost and everything he still wanted. Mingyu. No. His voice dropped low, dangerous. You are mine, Taeyong, not his. He slipped the ring into his pocket. I won't sit and watch my love get stolen. I will do something before everything crumbles. The night wind blew hard, but Mingyu's obsession burned hotter. Tomorrow was the wedding, and he had just made a decision, a dangerous one. Jungkook gently sat down on the bed. Baby, you're exhausted. Rest for a while. But Tae didn't let go. Instead, he tugged at Jungkook's shirt, eyes narrowing with playful stubbornness. As he pointed at his own lip, tongue, kiss. Jungkook sighed with a tiny smile and shook his head. No, not now. Nor you need to. Tae glared defiant. He pointed again slowly, threateningly cute. Jungkook, Tae, no. Tongues stepped closer and closer until Jungkook's back touched the wall, their breaths mingling. Tae bit his lower lip in frustration, then leaned in and nibbled Jungkook's bottom lip, soft but demanding. Jungkook's eyes widened and everything flipped. In a swift motion, Jungkook spun them around. Now Tae was the one pressed against the wall, wrist gently pinned above his head. Their chests collided, their hearts raced. Jungkook's eyes darkened, not with anger, but with everything he had been holding back. Jungkook whispering breathless, "You are dangerous, you know, right?" Tong smirked victorious. That smirk was the last word Jungkook needed. He leaned in, lips crashing against Tae's. The kiss was urgent, like he was afraid to lose him. Hungry, like he had been starving for this moment. Warm, like every ounce of love he held spilled into it. Tong's fingers slipped into Jungkook's hair, pulling him closer. If that was even possible. Their lips moved in perfect rhythm, soft gaps between breaths, noses brushing, heartbeats sinking, and for the moment, pain, betrayal, jealousy, lies, everything disappeared. There was only their kiss, there was only them. Jungkook had just lifted tongue into the table beside the wall, lips still locked in that fierce kiss when the door burst open. Mingyu, what the hell are you doing? Jungkook broke the kiss, jaw clenched in anger, tongue lowered. Hovered. Didn't look scared, he looked furious, tongue shouting, "What the hell? Do you have no manners? Even here of knocking?" Mingyu stepped frustrated in, eyes burning with jealousy. "How can you kiss Jungkook like that?" Tong scoffed, his arms still wrapped tightly around Jungkook's neck, refusing to let go. "He's my fiancé. I can do whatever I want." He pulled Jungkook even closer, making challenging. Even more than kissing. Jungkook's eyes widened slightly, not expecting Tae to be bold. Mingyu's voice cracked. "But Tae, how can you do this to me?" Tong stares down at him with sharp eyes. "Like this?" And before Mingyu could take another breath, Tong grabbed Jungkook's collar and kissed him hard, right in front of Mingyu. Jungkook, surprised but unable to resist, Tong pulled, responded, his hand cupping Tae's jaw as he deepened the kiss. Mingyu's face trembled, his face turned red, anger and heartbreak beating inside him. Tong broke the kiss slowly, smacking right into Mingyu's shocked eyes. "Like this? Now you see? Please leave. We are in the middle." Mingyu clenched his teeth and left while knocked the waist down, which was on the way. Tae rolled his eyes. "Seriously, who is this guy? And what is he doing here at our wedding venue?" Jungkook rubbed his temple, looking down. "He is my stepbrother." Tae grabbed Jungkook's chin, making him look up. "That's why he is jealous?" Jungkook nodded. "I don't want to see him after our wedding, Cook." Jungkook smiled a little. "Don't worry, you wouldn't see him after our wedding. I will take you somewhere safe. Do you trust me?" Tae nodded, smiling. "More than my life." Both leaned to kiss again. The music blazed softly. Everyone stood. Tong stepped into the ashley dresser in a room that made him look even like a dream. Jungkook paired cock. He whispered under his breath, eyes glassy. Jungkook thought, "God really wrote me into my life. If not the first way, then this way. But you were always meant to be mine." Tong's eyes were only on him. When he finally reached the headland, Jungkook smiled, a tear escaping. Tong reached up gently and kissed away the tear. "No crying, not when I am right here." He captured Jungkook's hand tightly, reassuring, loving. A ceremony began. The priest turned to Jungkook, pressed, "Please take the ring." And Jungkook lifted the ring with trembling finger. He was about to slip it into Tong's finger when suddenly a microphone crashes. Everyone jumped. Mingyu was booming. "Hold on." All eyes turned to him, standing right in front of the mic in hand. Mingyu smiling wickedly. Before you two tie the knot, let's celebrate your freedom for the last time. Kids begin whispering, tongue are dropped, Mingyu. And also, hello to the all beautiful people present here. He settled his finger, light dimming, the giant white screen lit up behind them. The entire family froze. Mingyu's mic grew. Mingyu, I have something special to show you all to reveal how this wedding really happening. And then the screen began projecting video. 1. Tong and Mingyu slow dancing at the party. Tong smiling brightly, Mingyu holding him close. Video 2. Tong hugging Mingyu from behind, whispering something close to his ear. Photo slideshow. Mingyu and Tong on the date, matching rings on their finger. Tong sleep on Mingyu's shoulder. Laughter, memories, love. Gas spread through the crowd. Tong's face turned pale. Shanku's heart froze. Mingyu then proudly raised his hand. The engagement ring still on his finger. Mingyu, loud and sharp. You see this ring? This is our engagement proof. He pointed up toward the balcony window. And the one ring you threw outside, that was the other half of our engagement. Shanku stepped in between them, shading Tong. That's enough. Stop. Mingyu showed him hard. You stop. The guest flinched. Mingyu, voice cracking with possessiveness. Tong, stop this drama. You are my fiancé, not Jungkook's. So come back to me. He held out his hand toward Tong. The entire hall waited for Tong's reaction. Tong slowly smiled and stepped forward, gently pushing Jungkook aside. The whole family leaned forward, thinking Tong would run to Mingyu's arms. Mingyu opened his arms wide, smiling, and then slapped. A loud crack echoed across the hall. Mingyu's head snapped to the side, eyes wide in disbelief. Gas filled the room. Mingyu, holding his stick. Why, Tong? Tong didn't even blink. He simply lifted his hand and pointed toward the giant screen behind them. A new video was now playing. Mingyu and Nayeon kissing passionately in Jungkook's room. Nayeon clinging to him. Mingyu smirking. Everyone froze. Furious, betrayal, stunned. Mingyu looked back at Tong. Mingyu shaking. How do you know about that? You didn't remember anything. You were supposed to have forgotten. Were you just acting? Tong crossed his arms, gaze cold and sharp. Yes, I was acting. Mingyu stunned. A step back. Tong deadly calm. What do you think? I am fool, Mingyu. I watched you cheat on me with my own eyes. His voice cracked, not from weakness but from thought. And I acted like I forgot, so I could watch you hurt the same way you hurt me. Tong looked proudly at Jungkook and then back at Mingyu. I decided to marry my best friend, the one who actually loves me, while you drown in jealousy. Mingyu's face clenched, breath shaking in pure panic. His world was falling apart right in front of everyone. Mingyu dropped on his knees hard. His palm collapsed to the floor as he bowed his head, tears threatening to spill down his face. Tae, please, I'm begging you. I admit everything. I was stupid. I was blind. Please forgive me. He tried to grab Tong's hand, but Tong stepped back. Everyone watched in silence. Mingyu kept pleading, louder, more desperate from each time. I love you. I will fix everything. Please don't leave me. Tae, please. Mingyu finally exhaled and gently pulled Mingyu up by his arms. Jungkook was sung for a moment, fear flickering in his eyes. Was Tae going back to him? Tong placed his hand on Mingyu's shoulder and pointed him toward the door. Tong code final. The exit is right there. Mingyu stood frozen. Tong, you lost me the moment you cheated. Now leave and watch me marry the one who truly loves me. Mingyu legs shook as he stared at Tae, broken, defeated. Tears kept spilling. But Tong was done. He turned it away. Tong didn't even spare Mingyu a final glance. His hand slipped into Jungkook's, claiming him, shushing him, and the crowd erupted again as the official hurriedly restored the vows. Jungkook's heart was pounding so loud Tong could feel it through his palm. Official, do you join Jungkook? Take him, Tong. Jungkook didn't fade. I do. I always do. Every lifetime, every universe. Only him. Tae's breath issued, eyes glimmering with both victory and love. Official, and do you keep Tae? I do. Tong whispered, eyes locked onto Jungkook's, refusing to even blink. When Jungkook slid the ring on Tae's finger this time, his hand trembled, not from fear but from overwhelming need. Their rings clicked. softly together as Thong Cupid Jungkook saw, pulling him closer by his collar of his suit. Mingyu watched broken. Families watched stunned, but Thong only saw his man. Thong, low, warm, breath on Jungkook's lips. You are mine now. Jungkook released a shaky laugh. God, I have always been. Thong closed the distance, kissing him hard, deep, full of fire and everything he had been holding back. Jungkook's arm wrapped around his waist, pulling him flush against his body, as if daring the world to separate them again. The crowd cheered, Mingyu froze, and Jungkook whispered again. Thong's lips. Never let me go. Thong smacked thumb brushing Jungkook's bottom lip slowly, teasing. Try me, husband. The door clicked shut behind them. Thong didn't even wait for the echo to fade. Still in his wedding outfit, he grabbed Jungkook's arm and pulled him forward. Their chests collided. Jungkook's big cock. That. No more talking. Thong whispered, voice low, confident and burning. You are my husband now, and I am done waiting. He pushed Jungkook backward until his back hit the wall. A soft thud and Cupid Jungkook's jaw. Eyes locked onto him with a new fire. One that left Jungkook speechless. Then Thong kissed him hard, not sweet, not shy, hungry, clingy. Jungkook's hand automatically wrapped around Thong's waist, pulling him closer until there was no air left between them. Their breaths stagnated, quick and uneven. Thong smiled against his lips, bold and teasing. Scared of me, John? Jungkook shook his head as Thong was rough. Never. I have been waiting for you every second. Thong's hand slid up to Jungkook's hair, tugging lightly. That single daring pull made Jungkook control shatter. His finger gripped Thong's hips tighter, turning the kiss deeper, messier. When they finally broke apart, both panting, Thong leaned in and whispered against Jungkook's lips. Then take me to our bed, because tonight I am not letting you sleep. Jungkook didn't hesitate. He lifted Thong into his arms, bridal style, and Thong laughed breathlessly, arms around his neck, forehead pressed to Jungkook's. Their eyes never broke contact. Jungkook murmured, I love you more than anything. Thong's reply was smirk. Then show me. Jungkook kicked the bedroom door shut behind them. Jungkook laid Thong on the bed, but Thong didn't stay there for long. He grabbed Jungkook again, pulling him down until their nose brushed. Thong whispered, you think the night even just because we touched the bed? He beat Jungkook's bottom lip gently. You're adorable. Jungkook froze because Thong was full in control. Thong slid out from under him, bare feet touching the floor as he stood up again, taking slow step backward toward the wall. Come here, he commanded softly. Jungkook obeyed instantly, and the moment he was close enough, Thong showered him lightly but confidently, pinning him on the wall, his palm pressed flat against Jungkook's chest, keeping him there. Jungkook's eyes darkened as he whispered, breath stumbling, you will kill me with this confidence. Thong smirked. That's the plan. He leaned in, but instead of kissing Jungkook's lips, his mouth went lower, neck, slow, deliberate, dangerous. Thong, lips pressed along Jungkook's pulse, feeling the race wildly. He sucked lightly on the skin, making Jungkook breath hitch, fingers stretching, desperate, and hold him, but not daring to move without permission. Thong was brushed his skin. I am leaving marks because you are mine now, only mine. Jungkook finally lost control. His hands shot up, grabbing Thong's waist and pulling him in so fiercely their bodies molded together. He groaned, head falling back in to give him more skin. You drive me crazy. Thong looked softly against his throat. Good, be crazy. His lips reached Jungkook's ear, whispering, for me. Jungkook flipped them. Suddenly, Thong's back was against the wall now, and Jungkook's breath fanned against Thong's lips. You really want to play with fire? Jungkook murmured. Thong looked him dead in the eyes. No hesitation. I married the fire. Jungkook's mouth crashed onto his, hotter, deeper, needier. Their hands roamed, beds tangling, ragged, and everything between them felt erratic. tonight wasn't ending anything soon.